Hey everyone, we have added a brand new column type in Stackby. It's called the checklist column type. So let's see how it works. So you basically add a new column. Let's say I'm going to insert a column left, find checklist, call it the checklist, and I'm going to see it in a progress bar. So you see a checklist column is created right here. Now you click on the expanded icon here, and you will see basically all your checklist gets loaded right away. So you can just add new information, say distribution and closing, right? And I can basically see it right inside the platform here. I can even assign due dates or assign people to it, and even copy this as a template to add it to all the rows. So I've already created that particular video in our power up section. So you can go how you can see basically how you can create a template out of these checklists. So now once this is done, you can see that your progress bar gets updated automatically, and you can basically keep adding different checklists right inside the platform. Please note that you can only add one checklist column type per table. Use it more effectively. Ideally, this should be used as like a subtask feature, for your records. So let us know what you think.